Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome back. Today we will explore about change in state. I think it will have fun. Okay, we will learn about melting, boiling, condensation, and then freezing. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, can matter change in state? I'm still confusing. Okay, the answer is matter can change in state when it gains heat or loses heat. Okay, now let's explore the first one of gains heat. Okay, gains heat. Do you still remember the matter? Let's find. Yes, solid, liquid, and gas. I'm using this picture to make you easier to show solid, liquid, gases. Okay, now the first one, solid and liquid. Okay, where I have ice cube in here and then I have liquid in here, what do you think? What will happen? Look at this illustration. Can you see the change of state in here? Yes, the ice cube gains heat from the environment, be a liquid, change into liquid. Okay, so in state we can write solid gains heat from the environment, be a liquid. We name as melting. Do you know the temperature of melting in here? Okay, the first one, ice cube at least minus 18 degrees Celsius in the refrigerator. But when gains heat, the temperature rises. So the temperature will be 0 degrees Celsius when a liquid. The next one, the second one, is yes, explore liquid to gas. Look at this illustration. I pour some water and then I turn on the stove. Okay, look at this one. Can you see there is a bubble? How the bubble can form? Can you see the white at top of the water? The name is steam. How it can be like that? Let's find the answer. The liquid gains heat in here from fire, be a gas. Okay, we can write water get heat from the fire, be a steam. Okay, or instead we can write liquid gains heat, be a gas. Do you know the name of this process? Yes, boiling. How about the temperature of boiling? Yes, at least 30 degrees Celsius in liquid and the temperature rises be 100 degrees Celsius. Do you know 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of water? Okay, now how about loses heat? Let's explore more about loses heat. Okay, now let's mention the matter gas, liquid, and then solid. The first one we explore about from gas to liquid. Okay, now I have gas, and then liquid loses heat. Look at this illustration. Okay, there is no water at the first on the pot lid. Look what happened to the pot lid. The steam of the water trapped on the pot lid. Look at this one, the steams be a water. Lihat itu ada air yang menetes ya. Okay, one another example. In the morning, usually we can see that the water are on the grass. Do you know what's the process in here? Okay, let's explore. The first one, from the steam and then loses heat. Steam itu kan panas, and then it meet cooler temperature. Dia bertemu dengan tutup panci yang lebih dingin suhunya, and then be a water. Or state-nya we can write gas loses heat be liquid. We name it as a condensation. How about the temperature? Do you know the temperature of steam? Yes, 100 degrees Celsius. And the temperature is lower. And then, when it means cooler temperature, the temperature will be at least 30 degrees Celsius. The last one. Okay, what we'll explore? From the liquid loses heat into a solid. Okay, I pour some water in here, and then what do you think? What will I do? Yes, I will enter this one to the refrigerator, to the freezer. Okay, I will waiting at least 30 minutes. Look at this one. Yes, the water changed into the ice cube like this one. How it can happen? Okay, let's explain. The water loses heat be a ice cube. You know the loses heat? Yes, meet the cooler temperature inside the freezer and then be a liquid. Okay, now how about the state from the liquid meet the cooler temperature be a solid? The name of this process is freezing. How about the temperature of this freezing? The first one, the water at least at 30 degrees Celsius, and then the temperature is lower or drop until at least freezing point 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, when a liquid freeze, it's calling freezing point 0 degrees Celsius. After we enter into the freezer, maybe the temperature will drop again until minus 18 degrees Celsius. Okay, any question about our lesson today? I think it's easy for you. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.